these. These have been tucked in throughout everything if you have not seen them throughout the show.
Look how cute they are up here.
Obsessed
Wait, let me
with
duck
these.
down.
Yeah.
There you go.
These
Isn't
are
it so darling?
So fun. We're
Yeah.
talking about the 3-piece etched glass storage canister with acacia wood lid. They're so good. You're getting small, medium, and large for $34.98 or 4 easy payments of $8.75. Your small is 33 ounces, your medium is 50 ounces, and your large is 67 ounces. They are this beautiful soda lime glass. So there's just like a little kiss of that green, but not like a sea glass by all means. This is beautiful, top of counter, in the storage cupboard, in wherever you want to put it. You put it in the fridge. I mean, gorgeous.
Like, I actually have put them in the fridge because, you know, I made like cranberry chutney for Thanksgiving.
Of course you did.
And of course I did.
Yes.
And it's not Thanksgiving without it in my house.
Yes.
You know, you put it in the jar, you bring it to Thanksgiving, and then you take it home because it's your favorite, and you put it in the fridge so nobody can steal it.
Smart.
I love these. I love what you said about it. It has this slightly sort of vintage feeling to it. There's this little etching. I'm trying to figure out, oh, maybe the marshmallow one, you can see it better.
Oh, yeah.
Do you see that beautiful etching? So that's not only pretty, but it's functional because it nips in right there at the waist, so you can hold on to it to unscrew the lid.
I love these.
And look at how wide that mouth is. So it's really easy to fill.
So good.
So good.
Oh, it's so good.
And then just screws on top. And every one of these lids is going to look a little different, right? Because it's acacia.
Oh, it's so
pretty. Ooh, there we go.
Yes, this is exactly what you want top of counter. This is what you want to have your teas in, your smart snacking things in.
Oh, yeah. So
right?
that you make good choices.
So you can see this. You can see your snacks this way. Like, oh, go into the cupboard. Like, oh, there's the trail mix I bought. I can see it right there in my beautiful jar. I will have a handful of that.
Yeah. Or, you know, your basics, your everyday, your baking basics, your flour, your sugar, your brown sugar. Again, having that nice wide mouth means that it's easy to fill. And when space is always a premium.
Always.
Right?
Yes.
So I love that these build up. So that's how you're getting all of your storage, is that you're building up as opposed to building out.
Right, because that's what we typically do.
So you can get, and these hold a ton.
Yeah.
I was very surprised. I kept filling and filling
and
filling. They really, really do hold a lot. And we've got a bunch of ideas here.
I love it.
So, you know, your everyday is like your tea and your coffee station. You've got your flour, your baking station, and then you've got your special occasions. So for Valentine's Day, you've got your candy. My kids are going to see this and be like, why don't we have candy on the counter in a jar? Excuse me, this is not real.
So
yes,
smart.
Candy,
Yes.
if you can control yourself. And then, you know, for Super Bowl, let's say you're going to bring over some salsa or some dip. You can also bring all your chips in the jar.
Yeah, it's so cute.
So cute, so easy, very easy cleanup.
Definitely.
Trail mix. And then the other thing, I mean, there's a theme for today because it's really cold, you guys.
So cold.
And all I want when it's cold is a cocoa station.
Wow, I'm here for a cocoa station.
So you've got your marshmallows, you've got your chocolate, we've got mugs. Let me see, and then of course we're using our kettle once again.
As we do here. They're so beautiful, and that's exactly what you want to have, like your really special moments in, like here, where you know, hot cocoa is a fun moment, it's a special moment. Absolutely put it in something special. Maybe it's your loose leaf tea or your coffee beans. I love this Valentine's Day sort of display that we have, because maybe then we're gonna put jelly beans in here.
Yeah.
And then maybe some candy corn and peppermints, and like, you know, these are those moments that you get to have out in the kitchen all year long and really have some fun with.
Yes, right. It changes with every season. You know, I can also imagine if you wanted to, you know, gifting one of these and fill it up with something and give it to somebody.
So smart.
Right, for Valentine's Day, fill it up with candy, give it to somebody. It would be so sweet with a little bow.
Oh, definitely.
On it. Are you kidding me?
And you have the perfect little lip here for that bow.
Little bow right around
so good.
here. What could be wrong with that? Yeah, I love these. I love these. I think we're always looking for ways to store things now, especially these days, not in plastic.
Right.
In glass. This is good quality soda lime. You can feel good about it. easy. This can go in the top rack of your dishwasher, not the lid, obviously, because this is wood.
Great call out.
Right?
Perfect.
But the sort of thing that you will find yourself using over and over again.
Oh, for sure. And I think a lot of people are decorating too, like with shelving units like this, where you literally see it out all the time, and that's what you want to do. It's so good. Remember, all three of them, $34.98 for easy payments of $8.75. We actually have a really great deal happening right now with Q Card. If you don't have a Q Card and you sign up for one right now, you get $50 credit into your account. So,
wow,
perfect time to sign up for a Q Card. Go over to QVC.com to find out more. And if you are qualified for a Q Card, shop this show with that credit. Because things like this are wonderful. Acacia wood, just beautiful. Luxe.
Lux.
Lux.
Lux. And again, we're just bringing that warmth back into the kitchen, getting that little touch of sort of a little vintage feel.
Absolutely.
I just feel like that brings a kitchen together.
It does.
It's having old and new coming together. It's how we're cooking. It's how we're storing. We want our kitchen to be a place we want to spend time in. I mean, how many times? I remember I had a 500 square foot studio apartment, and 20 people would still be in the kitchen.
Always.
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 Right? And I love that. There is,
yes.
I think watching people cook was the original form of entertainment. If
Yeah,
you think
truly.
about a fire and a hearth,
that's
the sun going down, there's nothing else to do. You sit around, you watch the person that cooks cook.
Right.
And that's why cooking shows and competition shows are still what we are drawn to.
Always.
So the same thing with our kitchens in our home, right? Like
Never
make it
thought
somewhere
of it
beautiful
that way.
to hang out.
You're
I know.
right.
I'm a very deep person.
Lots of people picking up more than one set, which is awesome.
Yes, I love
Absolutely, as you should. All three of these, $34.98, 4 easy payments of $8.75. Oh my gosh, Aarti, you're my favorite. It's so fun.